Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. Today it's going to be a shave video. Real quick, I'm going to roll that intro. Today I'm going to do a little unboxing video thumbnail. And this is my Stirling. I won't show the label because some of you guys get upset with me showing my address and things of that nature. So we're going to use the Civivi knife, and sorry you can't see it. I think that was good enough. Maybe get a little more right there. I do know what's in this package because I placed an order, and I have some note cards with scent profiles. Oh my. This box is filled with all that cardboard stuff. Let me dump some of this out. I'll be right back. I just made a huge mess with all these little cardboard shreddings. After this, we're going to play I Spy with my little eye. All right. So, the first one on the list here is sweet stuff. Now, I ordered this for my wife because I've been hoping to get her into some wet shaving stuff. You know what this reminds me of, and I was hoping that's what it was. It reminds me of, what's that fragrance at Bath and Body Works? I always want to say Bed Bath and Beyond. That's not it. Sweet Pea. That's what it kind of reminds me of. The scent notes on it is going to be caramel, vanilla, musk, and powder. Now, I started this thing. I bought a whole bunch of these little cards, and instead of me going back to my phone and writing them on little sticky notes, I decided I was going to write all of the info down and put it in one of them little boxes, and then every time I want to, get something out, I can just read off of it instead of writing things a million times and throwing away the sticky notes. I have a sample of, not seen this, pink clay facial soap. Have you guys seen this? It has a scent to it. Not sure what it is. All right. The next one in the box is Sterling Black. Now this is inspired by Polo Black. And I have that card right here. Woodsy with a blend of iced mango, silver armoise. Is that right? And sandalwood and patchouli. Let's take a little whiff of this one. I don't know. This one has a little bit of a natural soapy scent to it. I'm sure it will come alive whenever I get to lathering it. Next on the list, Rich Mousse. Now, if you guys know, you probably already know, I think this is the dupe of Irish Mousse. This also has that. There's something about sometimes these scents has a smell that I'd better not say what I think it smells like, but it kind of has a little bit of an off-putting scent to it, and I think that's from the tallow. This one, the scent notes, is going to be green, a greenish tone, with bergamot, rosemary, lemon, orange, coriander, clove, and cedar. I've got one more to show you guys. This one will be a fun one. Iced pineapple. Oh yeah. A sweet, fresh pineapple scent. And menthol. Notice how this one's dark. Probably has a little bit of vanilla into it. I know on one of the PAA soaps, I think it was pineapple bay rum. I really like that scent if it had less bay rum and more pineapple. When I saw this, you guys probably remember a week or two ago, I'd said I'd got an email with some new scents coming out, and I just figured I would scroll through all of the scents or the soap sets and stuff and see which soaps were for me. And the scent notes on this one's pretty simple. It's a sweet pineapple and menthol. All right, that is the end of that. These little things here, it's a good way to recycle, but if you see what I have all over here, now I know you guys are sticking around because you're excited about the I Spy. And most of you know that anytime you see the stuff up here on the shave shelf, shave cabinet, you know it's probably going to be not an actual shave video. Even though it's shave related, I'll probably always say a shave video, but no actual shaving involved. So if you're kind of used to seeing these things here, not my hands, but the stuff in between, you might want to spy through here and see if you notice anything different. I made a post on Instagram on Friday. I made some shave brushes, and there's a couple back there waiting for an upcoming video, and I'm excited to try them. Other than that, I kind of wanted to do a quick short video. My back's been killing me the last couple days, and I think it's this fluctuation of weather and things like that. But anyway, that's going to be the video for the day. I appreciate you guys sticking with me, doing the unboxing. Comment below and let me know, what do you think about some of these scents or my filing system for scent profiles? It'll be much easier for me. And I look forward to seeing you guys. I have a great idea for Will It Shave Wednesday, and there definitely will bring some comments. So I will see you guys on Will It Shave Wednesday. You have a great rest of your weekend.